welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. But I don't know if I'm not hear it in my voice. Well, I know I'm not hear it, but I'm so happy right now, plus emotional. Guys, today is the 1st of January 2022. To me personally, 2021 was rough. I got through it in a 2021. But you know what? The mere fact that we have life right now, big up God all the time. I am so grateful right now. And I just want to take the time out to wish you guys a happy new year, a prosperous new year. Thank you for always supporting me. I really and truly appreciate it, from Jason's channel to my channel to the family channel, and I want to just trad with me, and I really and truly appreciate it. Me can't stop telling you how much I appreciate it and how much I love you. Thank you so much, guys. I just pray moving forward God instill extra knowledge and wisdom in our head for deal with 2022. I hope 2022 be a better year for whole away. Who did I procrastinate for start them business? Who did want to go back to school? Who did want to do just a little extra stuff that I hope will find the courage for do all of them in 2022. I just want all of us to move up the ladder, because guess what? Room did that for the whole away. No competition now for in there. If you see somebody a struggle, you can give a helping hand, do it. Make we change our mindset for 2022. Make we help each other. And if you're wondering where I got my t-shirt from, it's from Slang Tees. This is how it's looking. It's a Rude Girl, so you can go over to Slang Tees and check, because normally when I wear the t-shirt them, I always ask. But today I'm there with a little video for now. I made a post on my Instagram. I'm gonna make you hear the post. I want us to play a little game, right? I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, but here the game go. I want you guys to send me assumptions about me. I'm gonna record the video there right now, today. And not only that, I want to know if you tell me something. One of them always want to tell me. Secret, never tell. I'm not gonna call on the name nor nothing. Just tell me something. One of them always want to say to me, but just never have the courage to say it. It no matter what, just say it. As I said, I'm not gonna call on the name. Everything is private. So it's assumptions about me. And someone that did always want to tell me, because what better time to do it? Today is the 31st, and could just spill everything before we go by another new year. So let's go. Alright, I'm gonna answer all of them, because people are gonna be people all the time. Some of them really wild, and I'm not gonna get into that. So the first thing is, you motivate me. Thank you so much, guys, for believing in me, and I'm so happy that I could help, because you know, when I get messages like these, like, Angel, you inspire me, Angel, you motivate me, it make me emotional. Because I remember back then, before I started my YouTube channel, I remember my favorite influencer them used to inner them DM. Me used to under them comment section, and I tell them, I say, hey, you motivate me, you inspire me, da. Normally, me never get back one answer. I think the most me ever get was a heart, which me did really appreciate, because me don't know, fangirl is the right term. I'm not sure if fangirl are the right term. But once I support you, me gonna make you know that I support you. Like, even my favorite influencer them, when them do nothing, me I say, oh my, wow, I love this for you. I mean, we comment it, I mean, we say it, because if me support. I mean, I hide and support. I am like that. I know how much it means to me for somebody support me and them tell me so them support me, instead of just hide and support. I mean, I'm not care if I do that, because you have some people who are really shy. But thank you so much. I'm just happy say, you know, when you believe in me, I'm just happy say I could have helped. So the next person say, you look like a very mean person. Are you? Guys, I am not a mean person, none at all. And it just kind of weird for me I say this too, no? Because I have this thing when I live by. If me have to tell somebody say I'm kind or I'm caring, I'm probably not kind and caring. I don't normally toot me one arm either. I don't know if I look on things like that. I feel like say, if me kind, you're supposed to can come around me and know say, yo, that girl are really kind, you know. But in this case, because you assume something like that and you ask me, I really and truly appreciate it. Because if it's ever a case where me do something to make me look mean, trust me, I am sorry because I am not a mean person. Don't cross me though because I can get there. But overall, I am such a nice person. What I can say though, I can openly say this, I am very moody. Especially if me feel like I have something to get done and me time my waist out or me start to procrastinate. So Assumption, you look freaky ASF. Guys, before I even answer this, what you guys consider to be freaky? Because I can't answer this until me know what people consider to be freaky. So some of them are people really tell me stuff what them did always want to tell me, because maybe tell them stuff to tell me things before 2021 over. So the person here said, I love your energy. Thank you so much. The person say you're a genuine soul. I know you from grade 2. Who this? Oh, me and the girl that come from primary school, you know, and we end up go high school together. But the person here say you're a genuine soul. I know you from grade 2 and you never change one bit. Assumption, easy for cry and eat little bit. Guys, I'm such a crybaby. I hide and cry though. You're not gonna just see me come in front of you and just start cry. No. And for me personally, not like a good cry. You always have people who tell you say, why you cry for? Crying not gonna help the situation. Crying not gonna just make it get worse. No. Crying not gonna make your situation get worse. But for me, not like a good cry. Like make me cry out all of my cry. If that even makes sense. When you see me crying, make me stop halfway in my cry because me go back go cry. Just make me cry and get it out of the way, because when me done cry, for me personally, I just feel so rejuvenated. Like me I say, alright, that was that. When it comes on to cook food, I don't eat enough cook food. I don't know if you don't ever hear Jason talk about it in a one vlog, but I know if I did around my mother more, I would probably hear her cuss about it. She always a cuss about it. Me, we put on my dinner, my good food, and go eat one snack. I snack a lot, and that is one of my biggest problems. How are you today? Thank you so much for asking. Today I'm doing good. I am doing very good. Mentally, on a scale of 1 to 10, we're probably there 9. Thank you so much for asking. So this person said you have a nice body figure. I really admire how you carry yourself neat and clean. Thank you so much. Guys, me only just run through them, you know, what people say, you know. So I just want to know for ear. I want everybody for ear where everybody have on their mind. The person said, Ian, I just love you, and can I get a follow please? I go follow the person. She named Alicia Daly. I go follow her. Hold on. Alright, the person said, I admire you a lot. I watch every single video you post, and I also admire how positive you are. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate that. And in regards to being positive, I try my best. I'm negative sometimes, you know. Trust me, I'm not gonna come here to come tell you no lie, but I try my best to always stay positive. Would appreciate if you could give my little t-shirt business a shout out. I just started 2 weeks ago. The person is a kind-hearted person. Always wish we knew each other in person because we have so much in common. I always get messages like these, but trust me, if we have a lot in common, you're a nice person. I admire you as fluffy. Then probably I say a fluffy girl. I wish to meet you one day. You are so clean and neat. Thank you so much, guys. Not lie, try my best to carry myself good. I don't know if you guys notice, but I wear stuff for compliment my body. Like, trust me, me I know one of them girls there where I go see something and squeeze me out and split me in a four. As much as though I love them, because I cannot lie, moment of honesty, I'm not gonna tell you something, I love some of them stuff there. But you see, if me put on something and I see my boob hang out, me I take it off back. Me not care how much me love it. Me not care if me have the suit ready for it. Me not care if the shoes match, the handbag match, the pants match. If it not compliment nobody, I am taking it off. I think that you are way too kind. It's good to have a good heart, but I think you let people walk over you. Guys, me not go come here to come telling us say me not kind. Oftentimes me see people act like them not appreciate it in them actions and the little remarks them what them say. I'll definitely let it slide, but in regards to walking over me, it can't happen. It cannot happen. An assumption is that you don't have many close friends other than Jason. I have friends, but not a lot. And I do have a best friend. In regards to the friend and company, I may probably sound selfish, but I not do a bagger friend and a bagger company. I don't. If you don't notice, I always the woman alone. My mother always make it look like, I don't know, she always just make it look away. When she call me, she say, you will want the woman. Why you not come down? And she just make it look like it's hard to do. And really and truly, it's not hard. I just can't bother with the bagger friend and alright. Somebody said, where did you get your bed from? I bought this bed, when I see it, I bought that bed in Singer. And my best advice is it's sturdy. I can't take that from the bed. The bed's sturdy and I love it. The mattress comfortable, everything comfortable. Plus it's the frame and you have the base down inside of it, plus the mattress. But in regards to the price, if you can pay one little furniture man to make one bed for you, I tell you, it would have worked out so much better. It would have been way cheaper. The person say, I want to be your best friend. So the person here say, I have none. You are very straightforward and I love you for who you are. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I always tell people, say, listen, you don't have to put on a show. Be who you are. Somebody out there are gonna love you for who you be. Nothing annoying more than you put on a fake personality and then you cannot keep up with it. That is so embarrassing. Guys, trust me, just be yourself. Why nobody never tell me say planning for your wedding can be so stressful? With a planner, without a planner, it's stressful. And that's gonna be my next video, because I'm not gonna just get that video there with me and lose my mind. Like, it's really hard. At first I thought you were a Christian, guys. I never yet baptized, but very soon I want to give my life to the Lord, because it's the best and it's the right thing to do. And it's just that I'm not gonna rush into it, and I'm not gonna make nobody rush me into it. I'm gonna take that to the Lord in prayer. My assumption, even though you appear to be an outgoing person, I think you are really shy. I am very shy. My husband really loves you. He said that he just loves how natural and authentic you are. Thank you so much. Love your videos. Thank you so much. And for 2022, I'm gonna see if I can better my videos than for Gona. I know I need an intro, but I was waiting until my birthday to work on that. So wherever I go, I could have just record a nice intro for my channel and also for the family channel, because the longest while we did a shoot and I know them the clip then I edit, and I just don't want them the clip there again, them the clip they expire. I don't want that. So hopefully for February we can sort out all of that. Assume that you love to play with Jason. Overall, I'm a goofy person. I play a lot. I play a lot with Jason. I want him not play. I always say that you are well brought up. Just love the way you handle yourself. Keep it up. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Guys, my mom did a very good job. She raised me good. Any quote unquote bad ways what we probably have right now, trust me, that's on me. Because my mom do a good job, and she is one of the main reasons why I'm lock up in my house. So I'm in a guard people yard, and in regards to eating from people and just so many other stuff, she always say, girl, pick enough and love people yard. Da, 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 da. Trust me, them they're singing in my ears. I grew up, and them stuff they're just still in me until now. So mommy, if y'all watch this, thank you so much, because you have a lot to do with my personality right now. I'm really appreciate that. I want you to have a mini Andra. Trust me, I wouldn't want that too, but I want twin. Every time I say that, Jason look at me like, you have twin money. But I want twin. If I get the twin, I want a boy and a girl, but not two boys, or probably two girls. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna get the twin, but I want twins. So anything when I get, I appreciate it. But if not, and it's not a twin, I want a boy first. I hope this year brings greater things in your life for you and your family. Love and love alone. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, and I wish that for you guys as well. I just hope 2022 will be a better year for the whole away. I think that you have little Jason White in your tummy. Is it true? I had a crush on you for 5 years straight. 5 years. Now that you are married, I am genuinely happy for you. I appreciate that. The fact that you could have acknowledged that, well, I'm not married yet, but the fact that you could have acknowledged me in our relationship and you're happy for me, Thank you. But let me see how you didn't have crush for me for 5 years straight, and me never know that. And we used to communicate like every day. All them time do you have a crush for me? You never said nothing. I'ma have you like a brother. Yo, I think at one time you ever do something where could have make me question say you like me, but me did ignore it because I don't want to mash up my friendship. Even yes, if me and your friend and me say you like me we ignore it. Me we act like me not see because just this just shocking. I want to tell you many thanks for encouraging me when I was going through a rough patch in my life. Aww. No problem. I'm so happy that I could help. Your videos motivate me to do better. You're not gonna make me cry now. I assume that you put up with a lot from Jason. To be honest, I think we put up with a lot from each other. No relationship is perfect, and if you're one perfect, thank God, because my one not perfect, and this is something I always say. I am not the easiest person to put up with, and I can openly say that. Whatever we do, we just try to ensure that it can better our relationship, because as I said, we're in it for the long run. But we put up with a lot with each other because I have my ways, just to have him ways. Guys, my camera battery are dead. Guys, been hurt me from my battery dead. So the person said, I want to tell you that I sat beside you on a bus coming from Kingston last year, and you smell so good and your nails were clean. I couldn't stop admiring you. P.S. I am a girl. Thank you so much, guys. I always get that compliment that I smell good. I'm gonna make that be the last thing my answer because my battery are dead. But I invest in the stuff that I use on my body. My perfume, my oils, whatever the case is, the soap I use to bathe, I invest in that. I'm gonna put it on to what I use, and it really give me a nice scent. Not only that, baking soda don't leave my bathroom. Certain stuff just not leave my bathroom, none at all. Probably that can be a next video. Investing in the stuff that I use on my private. Clean my nails, I clean my toenail, I clean up my ears, I just clean up myself. And as I said, I invest in all the stuff that I use for my body. I not just go at one place and just go buy one random shower gel because I say, oh, this smell good. I read it, and there's